Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how to download Android apps not available in your country. So the first thing that we're going to do here is by downloading a VPN. So go to your Google Play Store and here just need to search for a VPN. For example, you can go here on Proton VPN and it's free and reliable, so you can download this application. Once you've done, tap on open. And here you just need to set up your account, create an account, and you just need to verify using that Gmail account. And here you can now start using this Proton VPN. So basically, you just have to connect this and it will automatically connect to other country or region. So once you tap on this OK button, as you can see, it will now establish your connection and it is now connected to a network. Now basically you just need to go on your phone settings before you go to your Google Play Store. First go to your phone settings. So go back and find here the apps option. Now here tap on the apps management or manage app. And here you just need to use the search box at the top of your screen and search for Play Store. And then tap on the Google Play Store. And at the bottom you'll find clear data button. So tap on that and just tap on clear cache. Once you've done, tap on force stop and tap OK. And here you just need to go back to Google Play Store and you just need to search for your favorite application and you can now download that using your VPN. Once you've done downloading the app, you can now go back to your VPN and just have to disconnect from server. Now the second way here to actually download Android apps not available in your country is by downloading APK file. So you can try to go here on app2down.com and from here you can find all the APK files that may be not available in your region, but you can actually download it on your mobile phone. You can use the search box at the top and find the apps that you want to download. You can also use APK Mirror and from here, same as the app2down, you can also download any apps that you want that's not available on your region. So that's how you basically download Android apps not available in your country. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.